Witness the remarkable journey of plastic waste as it transforms into new products. The process of plastic recycling starts with collecting plastic waste from our homes and businesses. Sorting plastics by type, using recycling codes, ensures proper processing and quality recycling. Recycling facilities employ advanced sorting techniques to separate various types of plastics efficiently. The washing process removes contaminants, ensuring the quality of the recycled plastic material. Plastics are shredded into small flakes, preparing them for the next stage of processing. Plastic flakes are identified and classified based on their unique properties for further processing. The flakes are melted and transformed into pellets, the raw material for new plastic products. The pellets are used in the remanufacturing stage to create new plastic products, completing the cycle. Proper disposal and rinsing of plastic waste reduce contamination and improve recycling quality. The industry faces challenges like sorting mixed plastics and the need for improved infrastructure. Together, we can contribute to a more sustainable future by actively participating in plastic recycling. Take the first step towards a greener future by exploring more about plastic recycling.